Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. On today's episode, we are going to be installing some ridge cap closures on a metal roof. These closures are the little foam pieces that fit underneath the ridge cap to keep water from getting blown up underneath the top edge of the roof. There are several different sizes of these foam ridge cap closures. I'll put a couple links for these in the description of the video. However, make sure you get the right size for your roof. The only tool that we should need to install these is a drill driver. I chose to use a drill driver over an impact driver because you can ratchet back the torque on the drill driver setting, like so, which will help keep you from stripping out the holes that these screws go into. You can use an impact driver, except you need to be really careful not to over tighten them and strip out the holes. The foam ridge cap closures have glue already on them so that they are self-adhesive. We're just going to unscrew one side of the ridge cap all the way down, pull out the old ridge cap closure and replace it with this new one, and then screw that side back down, and then we'll do the other side. The home that we're working on today is about 20 years old, so it is time to remove these foam pieces that have started to deteriorate and come loose in there and replace them with some new ones. This is the ridge cap that I'm going to be replacing the closure on. Unfortunately, I did not get a video of me unscrewing the fasteners all down one side of the ridge cap, so you'll just have to picture that part. So as you can see, this is why we're needing to replace it here. It's missing a piece because the birds tore it out of here and built a nest in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull all these out, and then I brought a rag up here so that I can wipe down the metal before sticking the new one to it. Once I've got the old out of there and it all cleaned off, it looks something like this. Now I'm gonna stick the new one down on there, then I'll be able to drop the ridge cap back down. I'm gonna come back and put a little dab of roof sealant on these holes before I put the screws back in to help make sure that those don't leak. So that'll go in there just like that. The pieces interlock on the ends. Covers it back up like that. Can't really see it, but there's foam blocking any water from getting blown up underneath the ridge cap. I'm going to put some sealant over the holes so I can put the roof fasteners back in place. Then I can step over to the other side and do the other side of the ridge cap in the same process. This section of roof cap was about 25 feet long, and to do both sides of it, the whole process took me about an hour. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.